So there's something that surprises a lot of people during the loan process. Not all debts show up on your credit report, but that doesn't mean they don't matter. When lenders review your file, they're not just looking at your credit report, they're also looking at your bank statements. And sometimes they'll see payments going out every month that are not on your credit report. Things like a personal loan, payment plans, private agreements, or even consistent transfers to pay something off. Now, here's something important to understand. Not every expense counts. Things like groceries, utilities, subscriptions, these are normal living expenses. Those are not treated as debt. But when lenders see a recurring payment that looks like an obligation, something you are expected to keep paying, they may ask questions because, from a lending standpoint, that could still be considered a liability, even if it's not reporting on your credit. And here's why that matters. When a lender calculates your loan, they look at something called your debt to income ratio. That's how much you can pay each month compared to how much you make. So if there are additional monthly obligations, those may need to be counted, and that can affect how much you qualify for or whether the loan works at all. This is where people get caught off guard because they think if it's not on my credit report, it doesn't count. But lenders are looking at your full financial picture, not just what shows up on credit. So if there are regular payments coming out of your account, be prepared to explain them because the lender may need to understand what they are for, how long they last, and whether they should be included. The goal is not to make things difficult, it's to make sure the loan is based on your real financial situation. Once you understand that, this part of the process makes a lot more sense. I actually created a simple guide that explains how lenders look at debts and liabilities. I wrote it in plain English so it's easy to understand. If you want a copy, just comment the word debt below and I'll send it to you. I'm sharing it for free because I care. I gotta go, but now you know.